if something drastic is not done to rectify the situation, the people of Ribandar will be compelled to have a RASTA ROKO on 18th of June, which is Goa Revolution Day. We have demanded that the people of Ribandar not be billed for this month because of the poor quality of power supply that we have suffered over the months. So our demand number one has been that Ribandar and the residents of Ribandar not be billed for this month for electric supply. Ensure that a mobile van of the electricity department is stationed 24 hours at Ribandar, accompanied by a junior engineer. And we have requested him that the premises for the electricity department has to be a proper premises in Ribandar. We have also requested the chief engineer that an immediate audit and assessment be done of all the electric poles in Ribandar.
चीफ इलेक्ट्रिकल इंजिनियर एन रेड्डी सांगता ते प्रमाण ताकाय कामा जाग्यार घालपाक काय अडचणी आसात.
Around 200 staff shortage is there with me. Around 64 JE shortage is there. So we have already done our changing everything approved by the government. It is as per my experience, lot of other agency developments are going on, and our lines are passing along the roads only. If any agency does any mistake or fault, it is accidental, I understand. At least if they inform us, we can directly go to the site, start doing the work. Otherwise, they just put the mud and go. We have to survey entire land from here to Raibad. Where is the fault? So at least in these 2 months, some 6 complaints we are having. And even we have lot police complaint on that. Not that we have kept. We have lot police complaint.
Against whom? Police complaint against whom?
प्रुडंटा खातीर चेतन कवस.